Hi ladies, I'm Ali, and today I thought I would show you how I use the Clinique City Block. So here we are. Now I bought this, I've been using it for probably around 2 months now, and I did buy it from my local Debenhams in England, and I paid around, I think it was about £20. Obviously you can buy it all around the world. So first of all, let's go through packaging. Perfect packaging. What I like about it is that no sunlight can get through. It's through that. Now, when you open this up, can you see? So with this, no air can get into that. So, and especially when the lid's on. There you go. So then it's actually protecting all the antioxidants which are in the packaging here. Now it does come with an SP40, which is one of the main reasons why I bought it, as I do use retinol in the evening and I wanted something with a bit more punch to it, whereas majority of these sort of products come with a 30. I wanted to just go a little bit further, particularly as we're now sort of heading into summer. So it does contain a citrus peel extract, which will help it with the white pigmentation. It does have a bit of a scent, not too much, but if you do have sensitive skin, it may not be the one for you, but if you do try it, it's only a little bit, it should be fine, but just to be aware of that. Now it contains vitamin E, antioxidants, vitamin E, cucumber, which is a good hydrator, liquorice root, and also I think vitamin C, which is excellent, which you should always have vitamin C in the morning anyway. So what I do is I wash my face first, apply my vitamin C from Gao, which I have put onto another tutorial, another video, one of my previous ones, if you'd like to go back to that. And then I would put on a serum. And then after my serum, after a few moments, I would then put on my City Block. So what I would do, I don't have any makeup on at the moment, so here we are. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Now I think it does, it's owned by Estee Lauder Lancome, so I'm afraid I still think they test on animals. I can't be 100% sure, but I have a funny feeling they do. So a little bit there, as you can see, it's got a slight tint to it, which is great because I don't like a too caked on look. I just want it to look fresh. You wouldn't want to use this as a complete sunblock if you were sitting out in the sun or in the water, but just for your everyday walking around, it's perfect. So there we are, just put it in there, just rub a bit in, and then just, as you can see, once it goes on, you do have a tone. It does disappear slightly. It's not too scented, which I don't like too much of a scent, smell. And then I'd rub it. Also, don't forget the neck, there's nothing worse than doing this and then you end up with a huge big mark. Not that you would get much because it sort of goes with the colour of it, sort of blends into the colour of your skin. Now I always go over the lips, so then when you do put lipstick on, it just tends to blend it all in quite nicely. It holds it, it's almost like a base. Now, I would only do this in the morning, I would only use it once. Obviously, if you're doing something again in the afternoon and going somewhere, you could also reapply. But if you're just sort of not going very far and sort of mainly in the home, which I think most of us are at the moment, it's fine. Majority of sunblocks contain titanium dioxide and zinc, and then that leaves a white film, which not many of us like, to be honest. So at least for this, having the hint of colour, it does take away that whiteness, and actually it looks quite fresh, and it's quite a good base now for any blusher and other makeup I want to use. So yes, I would highly recommend this product. I'm using it every day. And yeah, so please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.